Well, the White House says more than 8 million Americans have applied to have a portion of their federal student loan debt forgiven.
After launching a beta version of the application over the weekend, the White House says the official one is now available. Channel 2's Rob Hackford has more on that announcement. Rob, how's it working?
Claudine and Scott, the official application is actually identical to what those 8 million people have already filled out, but now there's a dedicated place at studentaid.gov for it. To be eligible, you have to have made less than $125,000 in the past 2 years, or for families, $250,000. That would make you eligible to have up to $10,000 in debt canceled, or as much as $20,000 for those with Pell Grants. Now, when you go to that website, studentaid.gov, and hit apply now, this is also available in Spanish. You fill out your name, social security number, date of birth, and provide some contact info like your phone number and email. The White House says their beta application had no issues, and with up to 40 million Americans eligible, they expect many more people to file, and that is despite various legal challenges against this plan and pushback from Republican lawmakers.
Today marks a big step among others that my administration is taking to make education a ticket to the middle class that folks can actually afford. But don't take my word for it. As I said, we received nearly 10,000 letters from across the country.
If you owe money, as challenging as it is, you have an obligation to pay it back.
Well, now those eligible to apply will have until December 31st to do so. That's when student loan repayment would resume in January. The White House says those looking to have that repayment plan adjusted, however, should fill out the application before that by November 15th. And Scott, while this application does provide some clarity to folks who've been wondering when they can and where to apply, this loan cancellation plan is far from a done deal. The president was asked about those legal challenges I mentioned, and he said as far as the White House is concerned, those lawsuits will not have an impact. But keep in mind, this loan forgiveness plan was already changed earlier this month to exclude private student loans, which experts say helped avoid a legal run-in with the private businesses who hold that money. Scott?
All right, Rob Hackford for us tonight. Rob, thank you.